Here's Alexander Zadvorny on his first deer hunting expedition with his father, 2008. Alex, any words of wisdom? No? Just like his father, no wisdom. All right. Signing off. Hopefully next time you see this picture, we'll have a big buck, a 20-pointer, 500 pounds. No?
Maybe.
Okay. All right, we'll see what we can do. What do you think so far? Okay. We saw lots of tracks on the way in, didn't we? Yeah? Let's see if something comes in, okay? Alex, what did we find? What do we got? We got blood? Where does it go? Yeah? Hey, who saw the deer first?
I saw 3.
Yeah. Tell me what you saw. 3 deer?
Just walking in a circle.
Yeah. Yeah, something. And what do we shoot? We shoot a buck or a doe? Buck. A buck. Yeah. He walked right over our footprints, didn't he? Coming in. Hey, are we gonna trail him now? We gotta go find our prize, right? Alex is my lucky charm, man. He's the one who saw the deer first. Alex's first deer hunt ever. I'm proud of him. All right, let's go look for him. Alex, what do we find?
We found the deer.
Yeah?
It might be the dirt.
Let's see.
We're not sure.
All right,
We'll walk over there.
Oh, look at, he crashed right here. Came down the hill. Where is he? Where is he? I think I see him. Did you see him? Oh, yeah. Alex. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that, Alexander. Alex, that's the biggest buck I've ever gotten. Go there and go look at him. Alex, that's the biggest buck I've ever gotten. He's dead, dude. You can touch him. He's a little freaked out by it.
No, I'm not freaked out.
Alex,
I'm just really excited.
that is the biggest deer I've ever taken. And you saw him first.
There's 3.
Yeah? There was 3, right?
Yeah.
And that was the biggest one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We think, though, the big one, though, he got away the other way. I think I saw him run away. Hey, but you know what, though?
This.
I'm proud and happy and very thankful for this deer. Is he a big one? Yeah. I could not be more happy to have harvested this deer with you. You don't know how many years I've waited for this. For me, as a father, and you being my son, I can't even tell you how happy I am right now. Dude, Alex, we took an awesome deer. And you have everything to do with that. You're the one who saw him first, man. I would have never seen this deer. Born hunter. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Now the work begins, dude. Now we gotta get him out of here. Hey, where are we putting him? He's gonna have to sit on your lap on the way home, dude.